All right, first real snowfall of the year here in Virginia. This might be it's the second snowfall. It happens to be, the first one was kind of a joke. This is a real snowstorm though. We are enjoying it, loving it. Kids are out playing in it. It's not too cold out here. It's somewhere in the 30s probably. But yeah, there's our fire pit covered in snow, the picnic table. It's about, I think we're working on 3 or 4 inches right now. But hope everybody's doing good. This is a vlog. Not opening anything today. Not selling anything. And just everybody be safe. It's probably crazy out there on the roads. These people are just not used to getting a lot of snow like this. Stay safe.